This remote-controlled easel is designed to be an indispensable aid to any mouth painter. It can hold a canvas of any size from 30 centimeters to 110 centimeters square or rectangular. The easel is operated by touching the controls with the brush in your mouth. The easel can rotate 360 degrees, move 60 centimeters up and down, move 60 centimeters sideways and back. Tilt 30 degrees forward and 30 degrees backward. Both the easel and the stand can collapse for easy transportation. It operates from a 12-volt rechargeable battery.